When you create an art, you feel that you are completing a canvas. But I think you feel lot of colors. You feel various hobbies. And above all, you fulfill a dream. Similarly, when a huge artwork is being created, a piece of art is not merely being created. Along with that, many artists get created within. World famous artist Mr. Wajid Khan, who met Mr. Ashish Goyal. Together, they conceived the idea of making this huge artwork. Along with the plan being much bigger, its challenges were equally huge. First ever challenge was that this artwork of World War II should not be made by brush and colors. It should be made by hammer and nails. Still, the bigger challenge was about to come, that of Wajid Khan and his wife Maryam Wajid Siddiqui planned to make this huge artwork with those girls who had no experience of even holding a hammer, and that too for making an art. Then started the selection process of the girls to initiate this dream. Although many girls from different areas of the country and varied spheres of the lives wanted to participate in creating this artwork, but after selecting only 30 girls, they were called to the pre-workshop. For every girl, the experience of making this artwork with hammer and nails was very new and difficult. In fact, many of those girls haven't ever hammered a single nail. They were closely taught and trained by Wajid Khan and his wife Maryam Wajid Siddiqui to make this art in their workshop. Daily, many of those girls used to pray. At the same time, many of them used to worship under one roof. Initially, girls thought that they just need to hammer a nail on the wooden sheet and nothing new in it. Gradually, they started enjoying the process of making this nail art. Then they started converting their aggression into hard work to enhance the beauty of this artwork and make it more creative. There were many activities which brought all of them very close to each other. Their personalities started grooming, and all of them started sharing their life stories and learning with each other. Every day, while teaching them, Mr. Wajid Khan used to talk to them about the purpose of this beautiful life. Then he used to ask girls during the process that what challenges and difficulties they are dealing with in their lives. And Mr. Wajid Khan used to share his experience with the girls as a solution of their difficulties. All 30 of them decided by their own to complete this art even before the given time, and after a long hard work, That day had come when all wooden sheets were ready with its complete artwork, on which more than 2 million nails were hammered. All carved wooden sheets with nails were taken out of the workshop, and then all 30 girls took those heavy artwork sheets to the place where that artwork is placed today. The dream, which was seen by Mr. Wajid Khan and his wife Maryam Wajid Siddiqui, along with Mr. Ashish Goyal, has finally took the shape and found its face today. With a lot of hard work, Mr. Wajid Khan and his wife Maryam Wajid Siddiqui, along with those 30 girls, have made this great artwork of World War II, and they have made a new world record to make this artwork with more than 2 million nails.